Looking for the most reliable tools to ensure gas safety? Here are the top 5 best gas analyzers, perfect for detecting harmful gases with precision, whether at home, in industry, or on the go. Let's get started. Item number 5, introducing the ADKS4 multi-gas detector, a 4-in-1 safety device designed to detect oxygen, O2, carbon monoxide, CO, hydrogen sulfide, H2S, and combustible gases, LEL. With CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications, it features a clear LCD screen, explosion-proof design, and operates in extreme temperatures from -40 to 70 degrees. Ideal for electrical and industrial safety, it offers up to 16 hours of standby time, 500 data storage capacity, and comes with a convenient back clip. A reliable tool for professionals who prioritize safety. Item number 4. Ensure safety with the Kaylee Goyodo 4-in-1 gas leak detector. This multifunctional device accurately detects H2S, CO, O2, and combustible gases with real-time alerts and a fast response time under 30 seconds. Built for durability, it features an LCD screen, USB rechargeable 1800 mAh battery, and works in extreme temperatures from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Compact and rugged, it's ideal for both home and workplace safety. Stay alert, stay protected with Kaylee's trusted gas detection solution. Item number 3. The Bosean 4-in-1 multi-gas detector by TechPoint is designed for professional safety monitoring. It detects hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide, oxygen, and combustible gases with high accuracy. Equipped with an industrial-grade gas sampling pump, it ensures quick and reliable readings. Ideal for electrical and industrial environments, this compact and efficient device is perfect for preventing hazardous gas leaks. Made in mainland China, it's a must-have for workplace safety. Item number 2. The PLT840 4-in-1 gas detector is a compact and durable safety device that monitors CO, H2S, O2, and combustible gases with high precision, live 5 FS. It features a fast response time under 30 seconds and provides real-time data via a large color LCD. Equipped with sound, light, voice, and vibration alarms, it ensures timely alerts. Built from rugged, waterproof, and explosion-proof materials, it supports USB charging and runs over 10 hours on a full charge. Ideal for industrial use, including mining, chemical, and fire safety applications, ensuring maximum protection in hazardous environments. Item number 1. This compound gas monitor is a reliable 4-in-1 detector for LEL, O2, H2S, and CO gases. It features a high-precision LCD display, fast 30-second response time, and sound, light, and vibration alarms with adjustable thresholds. Powered by a 3.7 volts, 1800 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers over 8 hours of standby time. The device supports bilingual Chinese-English operation and records up to 120,000 data logs. Compact and durable, it's ideal for industrial use, offering explosion-proof certification and a user-friendly color interface. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel